have a nice sunny day out here. Hi, Tux. Good morning. Good morning, Tuxaroo. You coming, Morris? Morris? You coming, bud? Come on, Morris. There you go. Good morning. Good morning. And of course, here comes Marty, too. Stripe knows to stay out of that mess. I love how you just wait over here patiently, knowing Mama's coming. Wow, the construction guys are working today over there. I hear them. Supposed to be 73. It's in the 50s now. Don and I are going to do some stuff in the yard. He wants to put this one last part on the van. And, yeah. Try to enjoy some time outside. Everything continues to come to life. I'm going to wipe off the top of my handrail here with a wet towel. So if I lean on it, I don't get dirty. This time of year, I'll have to do that several times to get the pollen off of it. Good morning, Gray. Hey, sweet pea. Hi. Hello. Hello, good girl. Hi. Come here. Oh. Hi. Good girl. Before starting our roadside cleanup, Don saw the picture of the nut drivers or screwdriver stuff I put in, yesterday's video, day before's video. And he said, I need a, what size?
Quarter inch.
Quarter inch. We did find one. But it's $2. As much as Don wanted to bring home that Hello Kitty stuffed animal, we did leave it at Guardian Angel. Don's a good sport. If Michelle had been there, I'd have made her take a picture with it too. There's 2 Teslas over here on the basketball side. I saw a Mach-E in front of the community center. We did see a nice new brand new black Model X,
yeah,
parallel parked on Main Street over there, not far from Stick Boy.
Yeah, all shiny.
Yep. The Mach-E over my left shoulder is red, is what it is. But what I wanted to say is, boy, is it busy over here today. You can tell it's spring baseball has started. Absolutely has started. Yep. We're getting her done. Yeah. It's quite breezy out here, which is not optimal if it tries to take the trash bag out of your hand, but
it does. It's really breezy.
Yeah. And the boys are still working.
On a Saturday.
Yep. So we're walking back to the car now. We're going to stop and get those bags from the car. And, because this hill's pretty good. No reason to carry them up the hill. Oh, I just saw my first swallowtail butterfly up there. My Lego order from EMS Bricks came, and I put 80% of it away and put the other new brick baggies with some others that need to be addressed, handled, processed. I'm going to put lavender out on the sachets, and I'm hoping Stripe will walk with me. It's pretty out here. This Wagella we trimmed last year is coming back, mostly from new growth out of the ground. So maybe leaving these 3 old things here wasn't for the best. But if we can always come back and trim them out. Stripe was following me, but I threw a stick and it scared him. The stick was nowhere near him. I swear, I love these cats, and then they think I'm going to hit them with the stick. Not going to happen, ever, for no reason, unless they're trying to kill each other. And then it would be a very lightweight stick. Yeah, it's just so nice out here. Walking is nice. And I'll take Tux. Tux can keep me company. You can see the berries forming on the Mahonia, which is why I haven't lopped it yet. It's just going to have to get lopped at the non-opportune time, and I forget what this is called, this yellow ground cover here. I know it's supposed to be invasive, but a friend gave it to me, and it blooms, and it seems to stay in that one spot, so I'm inclined to leave it alone. I got enough trouble dealing with privet and stilt grass. I don't know about the contrast and the lighting and the focus, but I've cleaned off a fourth of Don's tree. There's parts I haven't cleaned off. I'm gonna have to ask Don to come down and help so that he can do the parts I can't, my arms can't reach, but I'm working on it and I'm trying to get it done before it really tries to leaf out. It's got buds on it, but they're not open yet.
Well, I'm back at the Honda. I didn't mention it when I did the starter, but this hose that goes from the air box into the air intake cracked, and so I got a new one from Amazon for 15 bucks, 14 change plus tax. So I just put it on. It was pretty quick, easy job. In case you're wondering why this is all here, this battery cable right here is supposed to be longer. It's supposed to go over and kind of like this one does right here. It's supposed to do that, but what happened was we paid to have that cable replaced, and it was like 245 bucks. It's $250 repair to have that cable replaced at the Honda dealer many years ago, before actually we moved in. It's like 2011 or 12. Anyway, we had the wrong kind of battery that would off gas too much, and it basically ate this up. So I got a new battery at the time, and I didn't want to pay $250. I mean, the part was outrageous too. The cable itself was expensive, plus it's a complicated repair. Anyway, so I was able to crimp on a new lug, but I had to cut the bad part of the cable off that had been, the acid had ate it up. So anyway, that's why this cable is so short, and in doing that, then the little cover, there's not enough clearance in this area. This cable is supposed to be over here. So anyway, hopefully I'm done with the Honda for a while. No more repairs. 15 bucks plus 70 bucks. So we've got 85, less than $100 in repairs in the thing here. So it still runs good.
All right, we are headed over to Willow Spring High School to watch Ariel and Connor in the play Once Upon a Mattress. That's what it is. Yep, this is how I like to go places. One Tesla follows another Tesla. There's a white Performance Model X in front of us. That's probably the one that comes off Wagstaff all the time. It's just it was that much ahead of us that we didn't see it turn off of Wagstaff. But anyway. So the play starts at 7. I have no idea how long it goes. As with most school functions, at least around here, you're not allowed on the facilities to events with anything but a clear plastic purse. And I don't know where one is and didn't look for it. Oh, it's a plaid. Not just Performance, it's a plaid. Says all-wheel drive around the license plate. I've not seen that before. Anyway, I'm just taking in my phone. That's what I'm trying to say, is all I'm taking in is my phone, because that's really all they want us to take in. And you're not allowed to record this because the school didn't pay this obnoxious fee for filming and licensing rights or something. So Michelle was a little disappointed that there wouldn't be a recording of the performance. Seems like that just kind of sucks. Like, I realize you can't sell it, you shouldn't put it up on YouTube or whatever, but letting the parents and the kids watch themselves watch the performance seems like it would be nice if at least that was okay. I guess the school had a choice between pick something that didn't matter or what they really wanted to do, and they picked what they really wanted to do. Those trees over there are redbuds and Yoshino cherries, not Bradford pears.